Hello all, Namaste, welcome to Vadavu Designer Studio. This is Monica. So Vadavu Designer Studio is all about exclusive sarees in pure varieties ranging from 3000 to complete bridal collection. If you are looking for any sarees in pure variety, then this is the perfect destination for you. In this episode, I am going to show you pure silk kota sarees. You might be having the idea of silk kota, a very comfortable material, can be worn very easily by any age group. There is no age group for this. Easily handled, especially in summers, perfect for summer functions. So I'm going to show you a different varieties of silk kota sarees, and we will be covering around 6 to 7 sarees in single episode. So it will be easy for each one of you to select the saree. And if you want to purchase the saree, there is also a link given in the description box. You can purchase directly from the website too. So the first saree which I'm going to show you right now is, look at the color combinations. The first, green, blue and pink. Very beautiful shade, that too radium green, blue and pink color combination. Look at the saree, very lightweight, very easy to handle. So first, let me show you the borders of the saree. The top, it has got simple golden kaddi border around 2 inches. The bottom, it has got around 5 to 6 inches of pink border with golden weaving of tree. Look at the tree motifs running all over the border in pink. The next border, it has got a simple golden strap border, and the other border in orange with golden motifs of, you can see the drop motifs, and the next border in blue with golden weaving. So the overall border at the bottom is very long and as well as very beautiful. But the saree is speciality for its lightweight and beauty. Very lightweight, very beautiful too. So look at the pallu. It has got simple kaddi style pallu. A simple pallu because saree it has got all over booties. So pallu will be a simple pallu, and you get a blouse with contrast color, that is blue. So this is how it looks. A blue blouse with similar border as seen in the saree. And this saree is priced at 3860. And all the sarees are already uploaded in the website. You can directly purchase it. So our next color, look at the color, a beautiful turquoise with pink color combination. Very beautiful and very classy shade. So first, look at the borders. Both the sides, it has got same borders with golden strap border and the pink border with golden weaving of diamonds. And there are small diamonds inside. So this is the borders. Even if you completely tie it, this is how it looks, the border. Very beautiful and very elegant. The body, it has got beautiful golden weaving from the top to bottom, running like creepers and florals. So there is no gaps in between. It is a very rich and royal saree. Pallu, it has got a small golden weaving pallu with diamonds. And blouse, you get a similar plain blouse. So this is how it looks, blouse, and the border as seen in the saree. And this saree is priced at 3860. So our next shade, pink and orange. This is also a very beautiful shade. Our favorite collection. Look at the borders. Both the sides, it has got similar borders, a beautiful orange border with pink boxes in it, around 3 to 4 inches. And the next border with golden weaving of diamonds and small hearts. So the overall border is around 6 inches. Even if you completely tie the saree, this is how it looks, the borders and all. Look at the body part. It has got small golden weaving of florals, a beautiful round and also leaf pattern. So spread it all over the saree very closely to each other, making the saree look very rich and royal. So pallu, you get a self-running pallu with small golden kaddi style border, and blouse, you get a self-plain blouse. This is how it looks, and the saree is priced at 3320. So the next one is our favorite, black. Definitely everyone's favorite, black. First, look at the borders, around 4 inches of golden kadhi borders on either sides and a pink piping border on both the sides. Body part, it has got florals, a beautiful florals with gold, pink and blue spreaded all over the saree. So you don't look, plain or something. The saree looks very beautiful and very rich. Especially for the night parties, this saree is the perfect option. Can be worn very easily, handled very easily. Even if you are not a saree person, this saree can be worn very easily and handled very easily all day. Look at the pallu. Simple golden kadhi style pallu, and blouse you get a self plain blouse. So this is how it looks. A black plain blouse with similar borders as seen in the saree. And this saree is priced at 3,500. So next beautiful shade, parrot green. A beautiful shade. And the top border, it has got around 2 inches of golden kadhi border. The bottom, it has got around 15 to 16 inches of golden kadhi border. If you are a long border person, then this saree is for you, because it has got a very long kadhi style border at the bottom. The body, a beautiful shaded pattern with green and sea green shaded across all over the saree. Look at the saree, very decent and dignified. Even if you are looking for any official meetings, then this sarees are perfect option because they look very decent and very elegant. Pallu, you get a simple running pallu with kadhi style, and blouse, a self color plain blouse with the same kadhi pallu which is seen in the saree. And this saree is priced at 2,860. Let me show you the next beautiful shade, which is in orange and blue. Look at the borders. On either sides, it has got around plain borders. The top with blue and the bottom with green, as we call Ganga and Jamuna borders. Both the sides with different colors. And the body, it has got golden weaving in florals. And also the bottom, they have used mangoes in thread with different colors. Golden florals and mangoes in pink. Golden florals, mangoes in green. So this is how it's spreaded all over the saree. Looks very decent and very royal. Pallu, a contrast pallu with green golden kadhi. And blouse, you get a plain blouse in self color. So this is how it looks. And even in the blouse, you get 2 borders in 2 colors. So this can be used anywhere in the hands or the neck part. And this saree is priced at 2,800. The next beautiful color is sea green with pink color combination. A very beautiful saree, very traditional. Look at the borders. On both the sides, around 2 inches of border. A simple pink piping border and silver and gold weaving. Look at the florals and creepers, very neatly spreaded all along the border. Body part, it has got a beautiful tree motif. I'm telling you about the spade. Look at the spade, beautifully, and one spade in golden, the other spade in thread weaving, orange and pink. So one in golden and the other in thread weaving. Spread it all over the saree beautifully. This is how it looks. And pallu, you get a contrast pallu with silver weaving, and blouse, you get a weaving style blouse in contrast color. This is how it looks. Look at the contrast, very beautifully. And this saree is priced at 4,970. I hope you liked all the sarees shown in this episode. They are all a pure saree. If you are looking for any other sarees, you can directly mention or you can directly call us and inform us, so that we'll be doing the next episode. And if you would like to purchase the saree, you can directly take a screenshot of the saree and send it to our WhatsApp number. And also they are already available on our website. You can directly press the link and click on to the website and you can purchase the saree. So I would like to know your comments, and we'll be back in the next episode. Until then, see you, take care, bye bye.